blackboard teaching ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ കമ്പോണൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്, legibility, appropriateness, eye contact, cleaning of the blackboard. So start ചെയ്യുവാണ്. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the structure of neuron. So have you heard about neuron?
Yes.
Okay, then what is neuron?
Structural and functional unit of nervous system.
Oh yes, very good. Okay, now we will look at the structure of neuron. Okay. Can you see this picture on the board?
Yes.
It is the structure of neuron. Like all other cells, the neuron also has cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Can you locate the position of nucleus in this picture? Yes, it is the nucleus. So the core section of a neuron that contains nucleus can be termed as cell body. The core section of the neuron that contains the nucleus can be termed as cell body. And then can you see some short branches arising from the cell body? These branches can be named as dendron. Here also some short here there are some branches of dendron. And this can be termed as dendrites. So the short branch arising from the cell body can be termed as dendron, and the branches of dendrons are called as dendrites. And here we can see a long filament arising from the cell body. And this can be termed as axon. Now the branches of axon can be termed as axonites. Hope you understand. And at the end of the neuron, here we can see some enlargements. And this can be termed as synaptic node. Here I already said that the longest filament arising from the cell body is termed as axon. When we look deep into the structure of axon, here we can see some cells encircle the axon. And these cells can be termed as Schwann cells. The cells that encircles the axon can be termed as Schwann cells. this is the structure of the neuron. The neuron mainly consists of cell body, axon and dendron. The core section of the neuron that contains the nucleus can be termed as cell body, and the short branches arising from the cell body can be termed as dendron, and the branches of dendron can be termed as dendrites. The longest filament arising from the cell body can be termed as axon, and the branches of axon are called as axonoids. Finally, enlargements at the ends of the neuron can be termed as synaptic nerve. And this axon is encircled by certain cells called Schwann cells. And these Schwann cells repeatedly rotates around the axon to form the myelin sheath. So this is all for today. Hope you understand. Thank you.